Well, how did you get out? How exactly did that work? Hi, good morning, good morning, yes. Good morning, yeah, Yes, I know. Can I? There's another one. And another one. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get another feeder. Good grief. Good morning. I'm not sure why you're out here. I'm not sure why I brought this with me. Come on. Oh, yep, boxes fell down. Now we go. There we go. Here. Hey, go on, get. Jeez, you guys are killing me. What the hell just happened? Yes, I'm coming. Good morning. Well, hi, Maggie. Hi, Miss Maggie. Where's Mama? Huh? Where's Mama at? Hey, come on. Hey, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get right in Mama. Hey. Can we? Would you get out of there? I'm not really sure. Stop it! Get out of there! Hey. Hi, Maggie. Hi, Mama. I like the fact you guys are coming back up here. I'm gonna go put more cow cubes in your thing there. Good morning, piggies. Good morning, piggies. Are we hungry piggies this morning? Huh? Are we? Are we hungry piggies? Ready? That did not work out the way I wanted it to, but okay. We'll roll with it. Yep. So this is Charcoal. Hopefully you can see him. And then his little girlfriend is Smokey. So Charcoal's the dark one, that's a rooster. And the little smoke colored one, that's Smokey, that's his girl. We had to go to Cow Cubes because Mama doesn't look like she's getting enough to eat. So, hey, back off. Go on, go on, get. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. No, you're not Mama, you're chickens. Come on, Mama. Come here. Come on, Mama. Here, look. Maggie's over there guarding her ball again. I tell you what, animals are weird. I don't get what they're doing half the time. I really don't. Just a mess. Why are you guys knocking stuff over out here? It's just rude. My goodness. It's rude. It is. It's rude. What? Okay. Ugh. It's gotta go. That just went in my boot. That was awesome. It's open. Why am I not getting any water here? Okay, quit being butts. Move. Hey, move. 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 Hey, stop. Stop. Well, you're knocking crap over. Of course it's not gonna work. Now what? I'm gonna end up getting zapped is what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna be unhappy about it. Is anything happening here? Hey, would you stop? Hey! Get off of that. Knock it off. Pain in the butt. Can I have this, please? Thank you. Hey, stop eating it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Would you stop? You guys are killing me. Hi, Miss Wilma. Don't eat it! Stop it! Stop! Stop eating it! No, no! I'm gonna whack you! I'm gonna whack you! Stop! Hey! Hey! Knock it off. We're gonna be here a minute, folks. Hey! No! Say, hey, stop. Both of you, stop. You know what? You're being a pain. Move. Both of you. This was not necessary. Okay, no more. Really, dude? Ah! Red! Oh! You know what? I'm standing over here. Y'all are just nasty. That's on my glasses. My clothes. I think I just smeared mud all over my glasses. Hey, knock it off. Would you stop it? Stop. Stop eating it. Oh. Come on, my guys. Like, really? Why? No, no, no. Holy vey. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. No, stop. Give me this. Give me it. I'm gonna get zapped and I'm gonna be pissed. Why are you eating it, you weirdos? Would you give me this? So they meandered over here, made a ginormous mess, covered me in mud and God only knows what else. And now they're, why? I have water right here. Just none of that's okay. Just none of it. None of it's okay. I'm not even gonna watch it because I don't want you guys to see it. I don't want to see it. This is a problem. It's not a problem. This is an issue with pigs is you have to be really careful of is that they'll root around under whatever you, like whatever waterer you have, and they'll make a huge mess, and then they'll dump their water over and then make a ginormous mess, and then if you put it on something that they'll root under it until they can topple it over. I mean, pigs are not dumb. Pigs are really smart. I unfortunately was like, I'm the smartest person ever earlier today because I figured this out. Yeah, you see my problem right now? My cow tub overfloweth. Yep, sure does. It's making a mess everywhere. So you guys give us some ideas for names for the big Brahma over there. I don't know, can you see him? I hope you can see him. Right there, the big Brahma. Hopefully you can see him, because we have King Lear, we have Big Red, and we have Charcoal. Big Red, dude, I'm not in the mood for you. I'm not. I'm already making a mess everywhere. I don't need your crap too. I just don't. You know, I came out here just planning on, you know, putting the hose in the pig stuff and then maybe getting everybody's food together and then coming back out, putting it all away when I came out to feed the pigs. As you can see, that is not how that's worked out for me, which is, you know, a pain in the butt. Ah, so much better. So can you see him? Hopefully. We need a name for that big Brahma. My lands, you guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, now. Ow. Oh, my lands. I got... Apparently they were starving to death. That's what was happening there. They're starving to death. I mean, look at them. They look like they're starving to death, don't they? Crazies. Really? Really? I don't think that's true. I don't think it's true. No. No. I think you're being overly sensitive. I do. Come on. Come on. There's some. There's some. And there's some. You have to spread it out because otherwise they fight. Well, you guys saw them fighting over the water. Let's hope we got enough water in here. Yes! Okay, so today was a day, let me tell you. Between camera issues and the pigs so not cooperating when it came to their water and stuff going off on my phone. I apologize. Hold on just a second. You know it's bad when your Face ID on your phone doesn't recognize you with your hair down. That's just something just ridiculous. Anyways, so again, camera problems. So the pigs didn't cooperate. Camera's not been cooperating. Red didn't cooperate. Like, I can't even say the word because it's been so ridiculous. So thank you guys for coming with us. I apologize for the mayhem, and the only thing I can say is it's life. You know, it's just life. That's just kind of the way it goes. So we'll have lots of new exciting things come in for you guys tomorrow for y'all to see, and I hope y'all have a great day. I hope you have an amazing Easter and that you remember the reason for Easter, and that you're doing well and you're safe and you're happy and that you are having fun following our adventures in homesteading and that you are making your own adventures in homesteading. And so we will see you guys tomorrow. It'll be day 4, 30 days of April. So we're excited. We'll see y'all later. Thanks y'all. Bye.